What's up, everybody? Kyler Gifford here, your favorite Central Texas area realtor, coming at you from San Marcos in the home office today. And this video goes out to my fellow agents using the matrix system for the MLS. Now you're going to see I'm coming from the Austin Board of Realtors, but this tutorial is for any MLS powered by Matrix. So let's not waste too much time. Let's jump right into it. The purpose of this video today is to show you how to get either email or text message notifications to your client portal. This is extremely helpful because clients leave notes, clients favorite, interest, discard. They do all these features, and yet you're never notified of it, and it's not realistic for us as agents to go in and look at every single client's portal all the time. So what you're going to want to do is you go up to the top to My Matrix, and you go down to Settings. You go here to Portal Notification Settings, and you have all of these options: Visit Portal, Save as Favorite. You see all the options here. So you have three options: Notify by email, Notify by text, Notify via daily summary. Me personally, I choose, depending on how many clients at any given time I have set up on a portal, I'll choose Visit Portal. And this is every single time they visit their portal, you get a text. And I choose text over email. I get enough emails, and texts are awesome. So I do Visit Portal, saves a favorite, and adds a note. And then if you would to put in your mobile number, you click here to edit. And then we'll do 512-123-45, right? And then you choose your cell phone provider. And now if I would have, here, I'll just enter in my actual number. So standing by on my phone. Got the code. So now I'm going to type in the code. And now I have officially set myself up via text message. The reason I like this option is you will get a lot more text messages, but what it allows you to do is it keeps your clients top of mind. So now, not everybody saves favorites, not everybody writes notes. But this is every time they look, you get a text message, and you can say, oh my goodness, you thought about that client. You can call them, you can text them, hey, how you doing? You can choose email if you'd like, but again, I find text message to be more immediate, and I find myself being more responsive that way. So, and then finally, you're going to click save, and you're done. You have set yourself up with client portal notifications. Not hard at all, very easy. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any further questions about Matrix and all the cool things that it can do, I'm happy to make more videos. And you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube at Kyler Gifford Realtor, or at my website, kylergiffordrealtor.com. Feel free to reach out to me in any way, and I hope you have a great day. Peace.